Sometimes, no matter how hard you try, you're just not successful. It seems that you're lacking something, something is missing. And that important component, which is the luck. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. We know that sometimes, no matter how hard you try, you're just not successful. It seems that you're lacking something, something is missing. And that important component, which is the luck. With the help of your good luck, you'll be more successful. You do less, you put less effort, but you're still more successful. So that's why a good luck is so important to us. But how we can boost our luck? Actually, there's a lot of ways we can boost our luck. But today, I would like to share with you the top 3 secrets, the top 3 most important components, how to boost our luck. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, the first most important way, which is our bedroom, which is so scientific. We know that normally a person will sleep like 8 hours a day. So you can imagine like this. If your bed, the Feng Shui is good, you don't need to do anything. Just every single night, you just lay down to your bed, get some rest, and then in the morning, you feel good. You feel energetic, you feel refreshment. That's why a good luck master bedroom is so important. But on the other hand, if your master bedroom, the Feng Shui is horrible, there's something wrong. You can't sleep at night, you have a nightmare, you have a bad dream, you just can't fall in sleep peacefully. And then in the morning, you wake up, you're tired, you're fatigued, you just lack of some refreshment, you feel tired. So that's why your master bedroom, the Feng Shui is most important. And today I would like to share with you the top 10 components in order to boost your master bedroom, the Feng Shui. Okay, the first one is for a master bedroom, for your bed, we need to have a bed support and headboard. Just like me, I stand here, there's some solid wall here as my bed support. And it's the same idea for you to sit on the chair, you need to have bed support. So you sit on the chair and then with a nice support at the back so you can relax and then you can just do your thing comfortably. So this is so important. So a bed support is important for your desk and also is really, really important for your master bedroom. With a solid bed support, you feel more comfortable. So that support, which is so important, we need to have a soft headboard first of all, and then at the other hand, at the bed support, the most important is there is a solid wall that will be more important. There's some people for their master bedroom, the bed is like a window, or even you have a solid wall, but after the solid wall, behind the solid wall, there's something is funny. Let's say the escalator, or some movement, or there's a tea session at the back. So we need to pay attention for what behind the back. A bed support is so important. So this is the most important component. Okay, and the second important component is for your bed. You need to position your bed, place your bed in a commanding position. What's the commanding position? Which is, we can consider is in the middle or most important component in your bedroom. Normally, we need to access to the bed from the left and from the right. So it can help you to have a more balanced energy. And then on the sideway, you need to have a table stand, just like the left dragon and white tiger to your bed. You simply, same situation for the chair. You sit on the chair, you need arms, the left and the right, so you can rest your arm. The table stand is also the same component as this, like a support, so which is also so important. And also, for your bed, the number 3 is on the bench edge of your bed, you need to have some protection. So normally we put a bench over there. So it's also good for you to take a rest over there, and can also serve as a safety component in terms of the Feng Shui in your bed. Okay, the number 4, which is for your bed, you need to make sure that the door, the bedroom door, is not in the same line as the bed. So it won't create some like a punching energy, or you open your bedroom door, you can't see your bed. So that will be a more like have a more privacy to your bed, and also privacy to you, and also have a good energy to you. Okay, the number 5. The number 5 is, which is we need to pay attention what's on top of us. The most important is we need to stay away from the beam, from the bulky fans, bulky lighting, because we don't want to sleep on the bed and something give us a tough pressure. Okay, for the rest, we will talk to you, share with you for the next session. Thanks for watching. Thank you. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is the Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is the Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put the link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.